These are the parking garage elevators right next to the main ones at Truist Place in Tampa, Florida. We still have the original lanterns, but otherwise they've been modded. Let's go to P8/9. Wonder what that's going to show up as on the indicator.
Floor P8.
Just P8, no mention of 9. But it says it on the brails. It also says just here P8. Just because I'm curious. I guess it's a case of you exit on P8 and there's a ramp that goes up to P9, but you have to get on the elevator at P8. Kind of like 100 North Tampa, where the elevators only go up to 14, but there's a 15th floor. That lantern's gone. Anyway, we're gonna go back down. Let's go back to P1. I want to say the first floor is double height, and that's why there's no P2, but don't know for sure. I mean, the first floor is pretty tall.
Floor 1.
We're gonna head it down here.